Safe, and I'm representing Nairobi Jaffe Academy in the Cradle Cup. Our business idea is basically using shipping containers as a means of low-cost housing in Kenya, and my friends will take over after this. So the first part is the executive summary, which is basically our company, Techomes Kenya, which will use shipping containers and convert them into low-cost housing means in Kenya. This will be able to help the undeserved populations, and the containers will be using renewable energy sources, which will be the sustainable development goals of the country. As you can see, there's been a rapid increase in the urbanization levels in Kenya as the population has increased significantly. So therefore, this would be a great idea to help people with low-cost housing as the cost of housing continues to rise due to the increased demand.
Techomes Kenya will design, fabricate, and assemble modular housing units using repurposed shipping containers. These units will be customizable, durable, and quick to construct, offering a cost-effective and sustainable housing solution. The company will also offer ancillary services such as site preparation, utilities installation, and interior customization. So let me show you how it will work. Our target market includes families and individuals in need of affordable housing, government agencies addressing housing shortages, and non-profit organizations focused on community development, and also private investors looking for sustainable real estate opportunities. Techomes Kenya will initially focus on urban areas with high housing demand before expanding to the rural regions. Techomes Kenya will generate revenue through the sale and lease of modular housing units, construction services, and value-added features such as solar panels and water harvesting systems. Additionally, the company will explore partnerships with financial institutions to offer financial options for potential homeowners.